2021 was an amazing year. We finally moved into the farmhouse and completed so many projects, some for us and some for the shop. So we thought we'd give you a little peek of a few things we did every month, 21 projects in 2021.
I feel like maybe it was more than 21 projects, but these are some of our favorites. A lot of things that we have in the shop, we also incorporate them into our house, and it's fun to show you guys how that all comes together. We get a lot of flack for painting everything white and having white bedding and furniture and things like that, but when you throw in the color and the greenery and the plants, I feel like it really works.
If you guys are resellers or you like to junk the way that we do, some of the best things to do is to take projects and show people how to use them. This was one of my favorite pieces. It's actually hiding in my closet, so only Zeb and I get to enjoy it, but it houses a ton of storage for my closet, and who doesn't want a hutch in their closet?
We pulled that piece out of a warehouse. We weren't even shopping for it. So if you're new to the channel, we love thrifting. If you're not new to the channel, you know we love thrifting, and we do it a lot every week, and it's one of our favorite things, upcycling these thrift finds.
Every Saturday night at 8:30?
It's 8:30. Every Saturday night, 8:30 Mountain Time, we go live.
And show you junk. Oh, I had a good hair day.
So we've done 2 cabinets in the bathroom now. This little one was the first one, and then we did another one. I don't think it made the video cut because we just recently did that, but lots of white wax. White wax was the theme of 2021. We distressed and we white waxed so many projects, and they all have this fun French country farmhouse vibe.
Everybody's talking about what are the styles for 2022. I actually have zero clue, but I can assure you that there will be some neutrals, some monochromatics, chippy paint, white wax, in my house probably forever. I like things that look like they've been acquired over time and not just purchased in a store. And we hope that our style and our channel show you how to do that in your own home and make your home a place that you love.
So this is just a real simple project here, taking some MDF wood corbels, and we make them look really chippy and like they've been old and on a house, and we love doing this technique. It's one of our favorites, and if you've watched any of these videos, you'll know like the process is a lot the same.
This one I didn't give up. If you guys are wanting to do some projects in 2022, make sure you're hitting up JamiRayVintage.com. We carry all these paint and products, and if you watch our channel, it's going to show you how you can create this look in your home. We always wind up thrifting. We buy a few things for the shop, a few pieces of furniture, and then we come home and work on them. Many times in our kitchen as a family, you can see my dad, he's painting away here, and we are getting stuff done. You can pretty much paint almost anything with the products that we have, and we kind of do. Hey, that box just sold. Actually, no, that sold right away. I thought it was a different box.
No, that one sold pretty quickly with the sheep decoupage paper on there. We started a decoupage paper line this year. It's called JRV Papers, and we love it, and it's a lot of fun, and a lot of really great products have come out of that. It's really expanded what we can do with our makeovers.
Look, I'm in a frame.
Yeah, these were a pair of matching foam frames, and again with the decoupage paper, we love using cardboard. You can use wood or whatever you want, but if we've got a big piece of cardboard we need to use, we decoupage it all the time or paint it and do crafts with it. You'll also see the heat gun a lot because we got to dry things out quick when we're in live streams.
Live video crafting is always fast and furious, but we get stuff done. Hey, those are still on our dining table. We do need to fix them. We put some staples in the bottom, and there's probably some poking out, and the kids, every time they scoot in, they're like, oh, it poked me. I'm like, hey, it's antique.
But for some finds that we weren't even looking for these chairs. We were driving by, they were on the side of the road next to a dumpster, threw them in the truck, and they've been in our dining room for 6-7 months now, and they're great.
Free is my favorite price.
This is your favorite ruffle technique. I actually like it. We used to spend tons of money on trim and things, and this looks good and it's easy. We always have scraps left over.
Hot glue and scrap fabric and a little pinching like a pie crust.
So a lot of times we'll be out and about getting big pieces of furniture, and then we're like, oh, thrift store right here next to the beautiful mountain. We're going to go in and see what we can find. And even if we don't find a ton, we always find something.
Thrifting is always greener on the other side. Whenever we're painting old jars, we really like to add salt wash to the mix because it helps that paint stick on there. It's amazing what you can do with paint and a little bit of fun.
Han and Chewy came to live with us in May, and they are little balls of fluff. They are so fuzzy, they can't even wear their harnesses anymore. We got to find a new way to walk them. I'm probably going to get them a halter or something.
This is our house that we bought in 2019.
2019.
And in 2021, we finally redid the front porch after we moved in. Turns out, not much was holding it up.
The bricks were strong, but there was only one bias up top.
We added a little bit of cottage detail to the front, and we worked pretty fast because this was right before we were featured in the Turquoise Iris Journal.
Just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
We always love new ways to use IOD transfers, and old ceiling tins are amazing. I remember these sold really quick, and I was a little bit sad that they did because they were so dang cute. Lots of layered paint finished with milk paint, and it was chippy and amazing.
Stay here forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
This is what the house looked like in 2019 when we purchased it, and then the architect's rendition, and I'm super excited that we actually came pretty close to what the architect rendered. We still have to do those awnings above the garage, but we're close.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know?
There's the pool.
I'm not really sure this counts, but the pool got finished in 2021. We did do the landscaping, but one of the best things that we didn't do was dig the hole and put the pool in. It got a lot of use over the summer.
Here's a few rapid fire projects that we did. We had one video where we had a bunch of Waste Not Wednesday projects that we had not finished, and the whole video was just us finishing them up. And they turned out really great, and a lot of those pieces are already gone. We've shipped them all across the country.
It's fun to thrift, but every now and then you just gotta get every dang project finished. Comment below if you are guilty of shopping more than you're finishing.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh.
I can't narrow down my favorite project of 2021, but I can say that I really, really enjoyed Waste Not Wednesdays, because every Wednesday I wake up and I have to really think on my feet, because very seldom do I ever have anything planned. Comment below with your favorite project, either in this video or something you watched this year. That way we can plan for what we want to do for 2022.
Write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper and started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you.
Something else we did really fun this year is we're going to be eventually, hopefully in 2022, moving our shop. We bought an old church that was built in 1984, and we're going to be renovating that and updating it and getting it fixed up so that we can have it as a retail space.
I wrote you a love song and I tried to make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweetheart and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours, 'cause I want you and I wanted you to know.
To finish off the year, we wound up rescuing 2 puppies. We have Rex and Cody, our little golden doodle and schnoodle.
Held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing. And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful.
Visit JamiRayVintage.com for all the paint and products used. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.
Steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know.